Ciao, 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 ciao. Ciao, ciao. Good morning. Yeah. Welcome everybody. As you are joining, share. Ekene Daniel Okeke. You are welcome. Please, as you are joining, share. Invite our people. Let them join us. Invite our people. We move. All here Biafra. Yobo, Shuku, Eze. Emeka, I see you there. We must continue. Almost here Biafra. I see you, my blood. Benjamin Victor. I see you there. How are you doing? I'm fine. Ekuma Michael. Inabu Efe. Inabu Efe. Good afternoon from here. So I will not take too much of our time. I titled this broadcast the question we should be asking the leadership. When I mean the leadership of indigenous people of Biafra, led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and for his absence now. So my name na Efe Ugwanogo Omote Biafra. Abirobo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land, Ughelli North, Orogun province to be precise. If na your first time when they come across this page, follow this page, like this page, hit the notification bell so that you're going to get notified. Follow me on Instagram, Omote Biafra TV. Follow me on Twitter at Omote Biafra, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Omote BTV. So, Sister Senorita, I see you there. Good afternoon. Golden Boy, I see you there, my blood. You're welcome. Gabriel, Angel, I see you there. Oh, hey, Biafra. So, I titled this broadcast or this interactive talk where we want to talk this very afternoon. The question we should be asking the leadership of indigenous people of Biafra, led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, for his absence. Make oge no lise Chukwu Okike Abiama. Obasitanu no make him alone, come bless us, see us through with the children of Biafra, may continue to lead us in a very difficult time like this. Now him alone, now we go to call a name on daily basis. Because without him, oge no lise, we for not dey where we dey. So now he don't give us the strength and energy when we say we don't take struggle to this level where we dey. Our leader, our supreme leader, Onorogu Digbo one of Biafra land, he dey for the hand of the enemy. They pray every day, say, may God go the guard and protect, and they give and they protect the food when they shop, the water when they drink, where they sleep on daily basis. Now because of farm and many more, we don't lay down their life for this cause for freedom of everybody in the damnable zoological republic. Now we go take get freedom because the suffer when don't to suffer don't too much, and a lot of innocent blood don't to stay share of this for this case. May God Almighty, all the promises when we say in promise us, say now we be representative of this planet Earth. He said in kingdom go come as a day in heaven, now which is the land of Biafra. He said you will be killed, you will be incarcerated. He said, but at the end of the day, Biafra will come. Freedom now go get. I like to remind God Almighty every day, both when I pray for Robo language, both when I pray for pidgin English. Every prayer when I pray, now repeatedly prayer. Since when I joined this struggle, now one single prayer now they pray every day. Apart from our supreme leader, now we consider for DSS custody, now could be the only one we be say it don't change. So for that reason, God Almighty, this afternoon, morning, evening, wherever indigenous people they listen to me for, they watch me from. We see they remind you all the promises when you promise us, just the way you promised the children of Israelites. We see they remind you every day, say may you still come fulfill our own, the way you fulfill the children of light, which is the Jewish people. God Almighty, those one where they work tirelessly to make sure say Biafra they rest on Biafra television, Biafra radio, on Instagram, YouTube, every one of them. The Mazi Ak Peters, Maza Lozie, Mazi Kechukwu Noha, Mazi Jonathan, Uwa Chineke, Mazi Obialo, Talenemi, Even our dear sister, that Biafra, when they do street talk for us for Biafra land, every one of them, when they encourage us, they put like, they share, they put comments to encourage us. God Almighty may continue to protect every one of them and their family. This one and many more. Now we ask, Ogenolise, Chuku Okike Abiyama, Abasi, Tamuno, make him alone, can do for us, the children of Biafra. He said, thank you very much, wonderful people, great Biafrans, friends of Biafran, people of goodwill all over the world. This very afternoon, I titled this broadcast, the question we should be asking the leadership. I know say some of us are very, very curious. Say, waiting if we get to talk again. God's power, Nandi. Waiting every one of us get to talk again. Waiting if we get to talk this afternoon again. I get a lot of things to talk about. You know, say when something happen, you go use as heat, they say they give you heat, or the way pressure take come for you. You can't go, they do some kind of things. You go make a lot of mistake. For some time, my ignoring so many things, a lot of people they feel say maybe I not they sure of what I'm saying or what I'm doing or what I've said so far. Some people feel say I'm not they sure of it. The question and the purpose when I write this topic, we say the question when we go ask our leadership, we say, make una ask the leadership how they survive. How they survive this great plan. How they manage to decode this great plan when the enemy of Biafra, the enemy of IPOB, the enemy of Amazon Kano, how they survive. But because the pressure was massive, the pressure was so much. I won't let every one of us understand this very afternoon, say, Biafra struggle, IPOB is ordained by God Almighty. If not that God Almighty ordained this struggle, by now, me and you for not there they talk about Biafra. We for not there for social media. When some of us go to God say, stop gossiping, stop saying this, stop saying that, stop saying that. You are just a male listener on social media. You don't know what is going on background. You are just a male viewer. You don't know the conspiracy or you don't know plans when they go on behind cameras. It takes the courage ones. It takes the true daughters and sons of Biafra to come outside to speak truth, to face whatever thing whether they go to pay. To them, you are a betrayer. To them, you are a backstabber. To them, you know what to call somebody. And even the people you are trying to save, at a point, will even come against you to fight against you because they have not known the truth, because they have not seen the truth, because they have not know, they never know the value of what you do. As the leadership, how did you survive it? How did you survive it? Because as it is today, now they don't come out with a gun down, Operation Gun Down. Operation Golden Down, when they say they bring console now, more they call it Operation Go Down because that is the real name. That is how to the real pronunciation of it, not be Golden Down. There's nothing like Golden Down. Which one be Golden Down? Python dance, crocodile smile, all those things. Okay, this one are Golden Down. Which one be Golden Down? The last time when I checked, when they for discover gold now, when I was on Farabi Casino, they never discover gold for Biafra land. So now Operation Gone Down. A lot of things was going on there that makes some of us to despise IPOB leadership at a point. They are weak, they are this, they are useless, they are that one, they are not doing what they are supposed to do. Let me tell you, my people, from what I have gathered so far and what I have seen so far recently, you see that they are weak, you see that they are slow to act when some of us see. Now I make me and you sit there so on my camera, they listen to me and they talk to you. The plan of hijacking IPOB, the plan of crumbling our struggle it was able to bring to, as in they bring down to their knee, as in it was busted, it was decoded and busted. That is why you and I are still here. Their plan, why they were all silent, even praising IPOB leadership, is because they saw it that the plan that they put in place was going perfectly well. Enforced by people like me. Unknowingly, I was enforcing the plan to crumble this precious, noble struggle of IPOB for Biafra. As the leadership, how did you succeed? How did you survive it? Because the pressure was much. A lot of people confirmed so many things from the words of my mouth. When you tell them, say that those are propaganda, they will say, what did they talk? Efe don't lie. Efe said it 2 days ago. Efe said it yesterday. Have you listened to Efe's broadcast? Go and listen to Efe's broadcast. He just confirmed me that, she just confirmed me that it is truth. I was heading and supporting the destruction of this noble family that millions of our people have died to protect or to restore, to sustain. A lot of things were said concerning our leadership that warranted to even get angry and say, oh, you people are not worth dying for. I saw a tweet, a write-up by our dear Mazi Shina Sanwo-Olu. He said, is Igbo people worth dying for? When I saw it, my heart bleeded. My heart, I feel a lot of pain in my heart. I knew what he, I knew the, as in, I know why he put up that write-up. Because they were fighting a fight that none of us were seeing. They were fighting in demons. Inside, it be like bed ball when they inside your jacket. Not only you they feed the inch. If you pinch your armpits, they go wrong go your neck. If you pinch your neck, they go wrong go your hair. They were the only people saying it because they have the experience in the struggle. I got to find out when it was almost getting too late. Even when I find out that I've even gone deep to some certain extent, I say, no, I don't to go far to go back. I never hesitate because I love Biafra struggle. I love IPOB. I love everything about this struggle with passion. Anything that will destroy our struggle, I will kick against it in my dream. I will kick against it in real life. I will kick against it in the morning. I will kick against it in the afternoon. I will kick against it in the night. Let's assume some of those pressure or some of those false information that was brought out there, the leadership acted on it. And they never knew that some of these individuals have been out there dishing out money for some people to be speaking, giving prophets money to bring out fake information. Never knew that even a person like me is being used. Imagine they followed and do what they do or did anything. Waiting for our faith today. No, waiting for our faith, me and you, waiting for our faith. Now that the thoughts, no people they thought say, it go be, I don't know, when the head is already cut off. We'll start blaming ourselves, we'll start fighting ourselves. And they will go to one place and be happy. Now that their plan has been busted, has been decoded and busted, they are not looking for an alternative. They are not looking for alternative. Up until now, they were all silent because their plans were going perfectly well. I want to use this opportunity to tell every one of you that people, the accused, the accusers might be the people when be say now they be guilty of what they accuse people from. If you Biafra, I have a lot of things that I know that I've started putting one or two together, and in the beginning they dawn on me, say, wow. And most of these things, I'm praying and hoping and believe that our Supreme Leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to come out and he's going to confirm it. Because when I say it, some of you will not believe. So there's no point of wasting my time. There's no point. Because our leader is aware of it. And I'm going to say them when it's out. There was a plan to destroy our struggle, my people. And the plan is busted, is decoded and busted. That is why they are now looking for another alternative. I saw a lawyer or a solicitor from the United States, I be UK, I be wherever, I don't know, I saw this thing, or a journalist, I don't know who he is. When he talks, say, the United States of America must, excuse me, tag IPOB terrorists, failure to do so at their own peril. Peril, I don't know how they pronounce that place. Their plan to do it codedly, silently, that the struggle will die naturally death has been crumbled. Whatever you are seeing today is just another, is just a probably plan B or plan C or plan D or another strategy, which is also going to crumble before their eyes. After they must have tried all the strategy at their disposal, and all of them fail. At the end of the day, it will be date of referendum. The greatest one wait for happen with ease, as in with ease. That be the one way happen when we say we bust. Because it will be more easier or more difficult for an enemy to penetrate you. It will be more easier for somebody when you call as a family, a brother or a sister, to penetrate you than enemy outside. Whatever that was going on, thank you so much. Whatever that was going on, I was dealing with families. I was dealing with brothers. I was dealing with sisters. If I not get any reason when I for take that these people, I for not fit that them. Because these are people that I see them like people we took the same oath together. There's no way I go fit that them. You understand? There's no way. If we were to be saying an enemy from outside, if for they easy say this person an enemy, deal with it with an enemy. I deal with these people as a brother, as a sister, as a co-family members. There was a lot of plan, a lot of strategy. To the extent they make me to come outside to tell Biafran that our supreme leader was poison. I never knew that, because they knew what happened to our leader. Probably the people who pull out that activities must have called them to tell them that the man was beaten and probably he would die. So, if anything should happen to our leader, they will say, Efe said he was poisoned. Probably he died out of that poison. And the people will come back to ask me, Efe, how did you know our supreme leader was poisoned? Were you there? Who gave you the information? These are people I've been talking with since early 2021, early 2020. There has never been a day I will put a call through that they will not pick my call. Our supreme leader was kidnapped. It took them like 2 days before they take my calls. They were preparing on what to tell me. After picking the call, my daughter, we are all in shock. Do you know my son called me that he was poisoned a day before he was kidnapped? He was poisoned in UK before the day he was kidnapped. Our leader has been in Kenya from investigation. Our leader has been in Kenya for a very long time. To the extent that you even send money there. You never told me that you knew our leader was there, and to the extent that you send money to him. Ask the leadership, how did they survive it? Ask them. People like us, we mounted pressure on them. A lot of pressure were on them. With the people who have come to destroy, to crumble our struggle. Now their plans have failed. We have decoded and busted them. Now the zoo government are not coming out with another strategy. They are not coming out with another strategy to demoralize you. And I see some of you in that place. And what is the leadership doing? What is this one doing? What is that one doing? If you know the heat, if you know the temptation where they overcome, now me go there, now me know what I play. Now me know the beginning of everything. Now me they record, now my memory they refresh everything. If I they record everything, I they doff my cap, give IPOB leadership. If you are a male broadcaster, you are just a people they call you, they gossip, or they tell you this one, that one. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. There are even certain things that I will say now. People like the Madam Inde Nanya will confirm that Efe is saying the truth. She will know that I'm saying the truth. Because I was not there. I'm not any IPOB principal officer. As the leadership, how did you survive it? Our head of directorate was set up. They called him to tell him, say, we have Zoom meeting and we want you to be there. We want you to be there. At the end of the day, that broadcast was streamed live. And after the broadcast, I was feeling, I felt so bad. I said, Magic Idozemu was set up. I felt so bad. I put a call through to them. And they were celebrating. With a heart full of joy. That Elohim promised them that they are going to destroy themselves. They are going to disgrace themselves and destroy them. That Elohim said that. I said I talk out of my mind. I said, who are these people that want to be destroyed? Disgrace and destroy. Thank you, Great Lion. Who are these people that want to be destroyed? Now my eye consulted. Great celebration that Mazi Chika Idozemu was busted on social media. So lucky he never said anything bad. It was a setup, big setup. The only person I go doubt, say he don't know what happened. Which I know they talk 100% say whether she know or she don't know. Now be what it be that women leader for USA. That is the only person I cannot say 100% say she know or she don't know. Every other people they knew that thing was streamed live. Apart from Mazi Chika Idozemu, that was not aware that he was speaking live on Facebook. They set him up. How wish Mazi Chika Idozemu said something contrary to what he don't talk for public. He can fit say na Zoom meeting 9 day. He can go talk another thing everywhere for spoil. We didn't know that it was live. I said, are you sure? We didn't know it was live. Hey, Elohim did it all. My daughter, Elohim did it all. Elohim did it. I was weak. Be like they pour me cold water. I was weak. IPOB leadership, how did they survive it? The pressure was massive. I know, because I know how it all started, but I never knew it was for destruction, to destroy our noble family of IPOB. I thought it was all about fighting corruption in IPOB. As they claim, now their plan have failed. They are now looking for other alternative by contacting bigger activists, lawyers, all those people. bringing golden python this one. The Southeast governor, to be precise, they don't feel reluctant before. They have felt reluctant. What I'm telling you is 100% true. They have felt reluctant and say they are fighting, leave them. By the time those people we gave money, those people we employed, or those people we recruited to finish with them, there will not be anything remaining in IPOB. But they never knew that IPOB is ordained by God. And there are people like us who are true 100% genuine Biafrans who will not allow that kind of thing to happen. Even if that is the last thing we do before we give up our breath, we are going to do it to make sure say this noble family continue to move. I dream, I see masquerade for dream. I come as I can't tell her. People, they that is why you are talking like this. They don't charm you. They don't do this and don't do this one. I said that's a masquerade one. I see now the gods of Biafra, because I knew what was going on, but I never knew that it was for destroying IPOB. That masquerade was to call my attention. People started calling me. Call your mother, call your father, call your grandfather, call your grandmama, call your village native daughter, call this one. These people have come to kill you. They have charmed you. They have brainwashed you. They have used juju for you. This IPOB leadership, they use juju. They go to India. They go to Ikana. They do this one. If I don't think you are with your right person, when they are talking, I will be looking at them. I will just be laughing. I will just be laughing. I say, you don't know where I'm coming from. You don't know what this my ear don't hear. For me to be talking like this, I don't get convinced. Say there is a plan to destroy IPOB. There is a plan to crumple IPOB leadership. And it's been done by people within, though they have been busted. The reason why I talk what I talk so, be say, I don't go do video this morning. Everyone of you see me. But I don't try, I sit down for years, they refresh my memory. And they try to put one or two together. What did this one tell me? What did this one tell me? How it all started since early 2021, early 2020. This person called me. Where are they that time when he called me? What did he tell me from the beginning? And what he called, they tell me as time goes on. I start to, my brain, they refreshing. Imagine thank you. Imagine those pressure that was mattered and they come mistakenly go take some kind of drastic decision. First of all, tamper with the money of the finance of IPOB. Imagine waiting for happen. Or the people you have been working with for the past how many years, come go to temper with them. What our leader never did, despite the pressure that was mounted on our leader. You are not aware. All this pressure that is mounted on our leadership today, they were all mounted on our leader. Call them and ask them, is what I know. Call Madam Naya and ask her, how many pressure has been mounted on our leader for her sake? It's something that I know. So our leader come up for the picture. They want to do it fast. In a twinkle of eye. Let them change everything in a twinkle of eye. I thank Mazi Chika Edoziemu. I thank him. But as for those of you who don't know the gravity of the waiting these people cause, and the pressure when the leadership face and they absorb am, cause he remain resolute today. Cause he be say, cause he get something when they champion. So everybody don't they speak. Both international power whenever they speak, before all of them don't they speak. And let me tell you, those people are not just working with Biafrans alone. You see all those people, all those they nearly them, when we decoded and bust, they are not working with Biafrans alone. Don't be surprised. I said don't be surprised, because there are people that I know very well. Don't be surprised. Say all these lawyers, all those people when they talk so, now they contact them. Because if you see all the target is on IPOB. It's not even in Biafra struggle. I'm telling you, I said don't be surprised. There is 80% say now them they behind them. I know what I'm saying. Meeting was held in America. Was I there? How did I know what conspired in the meeting? Was I there? Am I in America? But everything that will happen in that meeting, I go fit state and give on how it happen. And if you want to know if I'm saying the truth or not, you call. If you have contact with the our leaders secretary, call her and confirm it. Say FSA ask say so meeting one and hold. We see what happen. See what happen. FSA na what happen. Not true. She go tell you say na 100% correct. Are they there? Was I there? How did they do it? That is the question. Were they able to sustain it? Ever since then, that some people has been removed due to insubordination. Have you been seeing IPOB secret out there? Have you been seeing IPOB secret out there? IPOB leadership secret, have you been seeing it out there? Since they have been busted. You see, they see IPOB leadership secrets and after the conscript shot out, you can't see everywhere. It's nowhere to be found. Because people who were bringing this destabilization, people who are doing all these things, because we were doing all this destabilization, it is because, as in they were doing it, and it was unknown to every one of us because they are family members. You for not suspect them, you for not reason them, you for you to follow them sheepishly, the way I did. But because there was already laid down rules how IPOB operates, no matter who you be, you will come to IPOB, lay down rules, and you will humble to it. You go there humble to them. Even the leadership is humble to the IPOB lay down rules. They are humble to it. Mazi Chika Edoziemu is humble to the IPOB lay down rules. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is humble to the IPOB lay down rules. This noble family of IPOB, we are all humble to the IPOB lay down rules. Nobody comes with your rules and when you go come supersede IPOB. That is what saved us today. That is what saved us. All the plans have failed. Now they are not looking for another alternative. Let's do it how we used to do it before. This silent and coded way is not going to work. These people, they are, according to their leader, it's going to take you 100 years to dig into the foundation of IPOB. And it's going to take you another 100 something years to crumble the foundation. There's no way you can go like that. Let's go with this violence. Let's go with this many people talking. Let's contact the United States Parliament. Let's do this. Let's do that. We are peaceful movement all over the world. They know it. They know it. Is it now that everybody wants to stand up? They are not even talking about the extradition of our supreme leader. They are not even talking about it. What they are so bothered about is about the killing. And when you hear about the killing, you think they are bothered about the innocent people that have been killed on a daily basis in Biafra land. No. They are the ones killing the people. They are the ones kidnapping our people. They are the ones accusing us of killing the people. A DSS was shot yesterday. Unknown government was shot yesterday to be discovered that it was DSS Nigeria. It was a DSS Nigeria security agency. Everybody there for shock now. Say unknown government now DSS now they behind unknown government who they talk about. To cause chaos for the people to start hurting our activities. Those are planned, those are laid down plans, as in after the ones who will be say the one where they won't do silently, no work. Now this one then they come, they bring come aside. Ask these people who claim to love Biafra more than they love anything, or they to love our supreme leader more than they love everything. Up until now, as they say, what if you na name for Facebook? Another they talk about Biafra. How many news, how many articles I don't write about Biafra? Up until now. Till now, what will be on Facebook name? What will be on Facebook name? They can even be here watching me now with fake accounts, even attacking myself. Because nobody knows their Facebook name. They don't have a particular Facebook name to be recognized, just like George Onibe. George Onibe name na Mazi George Onibe. But at the end of the day, they use Justice Marere. You are defending people, or you are fighting against IPOB leadership in defense of faceless people. Do you know these people? Have you seen them? Have you seen these people? You only see what it be name Ofuegbu. You only see her picture. Have you seen her in ring ground? Has she come outside to talk to you in real face? As in face to face? Can faceless people fight freedom? Can faceless people fight for freedom? That was what Ekwe did for many months until everything busted before she come finally get bold, come outside, come they talk for camera. Do you know how many months Ekwe hid from camera? That is to tell you how evil these people hide it from camera, how evil they are. You can publish anybody's picture. Probably that person is even dead. Don't be surprised if that picture one of the sister and Nelly, that person don't die. Not be Nelly be that. If not true, say na Nelly be that, make she show her face on camera. Let her show her face. That picture can be someone who is dead and buried in cemetery. And he edit it, he look beautiful. He say, this is Nelly, this is Nelly. How are you sure it's Nelly? No, how are you sure it's Nelly? If she dey prove, she tell una say she na chronic freedom fighter, she na stock, she na rugged freedom fighter. The way I'm talking like this, let her be talking. Let her bring her face. You cannot go and bring somebody's picture when they don't bury for cemetery. You can't go carry a picture, can't go edit and say, na me be this. Then I'll call they follow you, go they defend you. It can be anybody's picture. Nobody knew George Onibe, nobody knew his face until the day he was busted and discovered who he is. And we started bringing out all her pictures. Let's Ogbofu, let her come outside and make broker the way I'm making like this before she can be freedom fighter. Or before she can have the tenacity or the voice to call out Biafrans to start checkmating IPOB or the leadership. My people, the question we should be asking today, if you have contact with any of the members in IPOB leadership, call them, say, Mazi or Ma, how did you survive it? How were you able to survive the pressure meted on you by this destroyer, this inner saboteurs? The pressure our leader to create IPOB in 4 regions, I was aware. I was aware. So that is it. That is it. We should be happy. We should be grateful for a time like this. Because first attempt, the first #1 plan has been busted. After we discussed for 2 days, after 2 days or 3 days later, Master Prophet came outside. Ask everybody that got that video, how did they get it? It was a particular person that sent it to every one of us. Ask them. Ask some of the broadcaster. Say, the first day you got the Prophet Ego video, how did you get it? Ask them who was the first person to send them that video. Ask them. I'm going to tell you that it is this person. Ask another person. Everybody will mention one person's name, just one person's name. After Ego Prophet made that video, he sent it to them direct. They confirm it. Oh, you did a nice job. We cannot share it. They started sharing it. They expected us to post it on our wall. And after that ego prophet, about 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, our supreme leader was kidnapped. Everything that was said, how it was said, that is how the mission of kidnapping our leader took place. They paid Master Ego prophet. It's 120% sure that I know. If Ego prophet said they did not pay him, let him swear with his manhood and everything he has produced with his manhood. Let him swear with it. If he was not paid for that fake prophecy that he made. Let it swear with his manhood. Or let it swear with any shrine in Biafra land. Because if he says swear with Bible, all those things, I don't really believe in it. Let him go and swear with any shrine in Biafra land. Or let him carry water, and swear with it and say, if truly those women in America that is being accused by IPOBs that have anything to do with them, that my prophecy was paid for, if I drink this water, let me perish. If I have anything to do with this water, if any day I will touch what I gave, let something happen to me. Let Ego prophet swear with it. They planned it. They planned it. They planned it, my people. They planned it. Thank you. They planned it. Biafrans, I tell you now, say I go dey patient enough. I say I don't get strength to fight Biafrans. I don't get strength. That is why if I say if I do something we not digest well, when they come and they give una space, and I go vex the one I like, and I go do it I like, I not go respond. But as time goes on, my memory, everything go dey refresh. It go dey refresh. I come dey settle down, dey talk some certain things when we say it happen. I call the talker. And if I the talker, people when they for principal officer in IPO because they confirm and say, yes, Efe, you are right, Efe, you are right, Efe, you are right. None of them they go talk say they lie. I'm telling you. None of them they go say they lie. And if these people are evil. I just tired. People, they all invade my face this period though. I just tired. They are evil, my people. Ask the leadership, how did they survive it? They need our support. They might not be 100% perfect, but they have really proven to us that, yes, they are leaders, that they know what they are doing. They have proven to us. Everybody that is being misled by Nelly and Co, we regret it. Everybody that is being misled by Nelly and Co, we regret it, including myself. I regretted it. I regret it. That is why I came outside to make apology. All of them will regret, both the ones with gray hair, both the young ones, both the old ones, they will all regret. The ones that followed Nelly, and because of them, they were removed from position, they were removed from IPOB, they will all regret it by the time they discover, or by the time they get to find out if they are truly genuine Biafrans. They are going to regret it. They will not regret it if they are not genuine Biafran. But if they are genuine Biafran, they will regret it. They will know that, oh, Oh, I don't know. They are circulating false information that IPOB is not true. IPOB is not true. IPOB is not true. IPOB is not true nowhere. Ask them. All those people where they talk rubbish, ask them. Is there anywhere in the whole world where there was IPOB unit before and IPOB unit is no longer there? Ask them. Let them point one to one country where there was IPOB unit and IPOB unit is no longer there. They are no longer loyal to IPOB, our supreme leader and the leadership. Ask them if there is any country, they should point it out. You are being removed from IPOB. You are no longer IPOB. Whatever group you form, you are no longer IPOB. Any group of people or persons who are not under IPOB leadership, you are not an IPOB. So you can't say this IPOB is not divided. No, you can only serve a master at a time. You are on social media, you have chosen the path you will follow. It does not mean that IPOB has been divided. No, we know ourselves. We know ourselves. We know how we operate in IPOB. You can't serve two masters at a time. You can't serve two masters at a time. That is just the fact. You can only belong to a particular family or a group of people. Anything other than that, you are on your own. Stop to the talk fast or bring false information that IPOB has been divided. Divided where? If you born children, you born 5 children or you born 6 children, no matter what they go on for that place, you go feel divided. Yes, you go only get prodigal son when you disown this son or you this daughter. Children cannot be divided. Family cannot be divided. You can only disown a son or a daughter or a family member. That from today, just the way Abatete people disown DJ Razor. That is the only thing where they feel happen. They disown him. They say, we from Abatete, we hereby disown DJ Razor is not our son. We don't send him. We don't support him. That is how it's been done. They know aura, choosing aura. They know. Case of account came outside. IPOB leadership supported them 100%. Supported them against Indenaya. Supported them against what is it called? That account in America. The other account, liaison account. But they were the only people who were still fighting IPOB. They got support from us on social media. They got support from people, activists who have a multitude of followers. Even Biafran well-wishers supported them. But they were the only people that fought IPOB leadership. Everybody that they were accusing or they accused, they were all silent. It was not enough. It was not enough. And if I ask, who are these people? They just came. They just came. Very dangerous, Raphael. Very dangerous. When they speak to you, you would think after Jesus Christ and them. Elohim, 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 Elohim. Elohim, 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 every time. Some people they talk say Anambra election. Do you listen to IPOB? Do you listen to Radio Biafra? Do you listen to Radio Biafra? Do you listen to it? And what do you want us to do? How do you want us to go about it? Not be mad to person get, not be go to talk say no election, no election. I be the heat whether they go on for that, so you know they see am. Now be the gossiper, so now make they won't easily penetrate everybody because of people like you who derive joy in gossip. Do you listen to Radio Biafra and you know that yesterday they talk said there is no election, not just in Anambra State, there is no election in Biafra land? Do you listen to Radio Biafra? You want to please yourself. If all this noise you are making, if election take place in Anambra State, this, that. I have not mentioned a particular person's name since I've been talking because I don't want everything to look like the way Madam Indi Nayan's case was. That is why I have not mentioned a particular person's name. That person is more deadlier. Nelly Ofuegbu is just an errand girl. Errand. She's more deadlier than everybody put together. She's the masterminder of everything. She's the go for the matter. Yes, no problem. I know they tell them. What did they pain them now be say? Why they can't involve me for the matter? They pain the die. We don't know say this girl cannot be trusted though. When it comes to Biafra matter, you cannot trust me, eh? Because if I dey follow you sheeplessly, the day I go know say you get mission. The way I go take do you turn. Go be like Juju. And some of them they call me, Efe, they don't charm you. They don't charm me. I say they don't charm me. They not charm me. No, they tell me say they charm me. Nobody charm me. Waiting I don't hear, not be waiting you don't hear. Waiting I know, not be waiting you know. Then nobody charm me. The only charm the only thing where they do me now be say the gods have possessed me to go out there and speak. It was under must for me to speak. It was must for me to speak. The pressure that I was getting spiritually can't warrant me to go and speak from the gods of Biafra and the spirit of the dead and living of Biafra that is roaming about everywhere. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my people. We'll continue to move. We'll continue to move. As the leadership, how do they survive it? And there is another plan. After this plan has been decoded, they have come out with another plan. Be an alert. Be at alert. Be at alert. This one too will still fail. We will still overcome them and we'll continue to move. We will still overcome them and we'll continue to move. And every stages of attack we get, the higher we go. Every stages of attack we get, the higher we go. Every stage of attack we get, the higher we go. The more activities we go to get to take counter them. My people say, now they pursue person, now they show person road. Now they pursue you, now they show you road. Now so it be so. Now so it just be. Now so it just be. So we continue to move. Share the broadcast. Share it. Share it. Share it. Choosing. Share the broadcast. Share the broadcast. Share the broadcast. Share it. Share it and invite our people. Thank you very much. Be at alert. Then this one another stage of attack, this one another stage of plan. After the number one silent attack won't take place. What I'm saying today, save this video, save all this video, because 10 years not be forever. Even those of you who have ignorantly attacked me will sing my praises, will use my name till they pray to God every morning for our life. By the time the truth currently they happen, currently come to light, gradually. 10 years not be forever. I'm patiently waiting. Ifeanyi Chukwu, thank you so much, my blood. Ugo Sunday, we move. Thank you. Those asking no election in IPOB leadership were INEC or relative, obey the command, not later you will blame IPOB. That is the Chukwuemeka Ago. Thank you. We trust and believe in you, Ada Biafra. Ada Mazi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love una so much. I love una so much. My greatest happiness today is coming to know IPOB, the stake actor for Biafra restoration, and can't even take oath. And due to the person, the kind of person when I be, I can't not say I no go fit fail. Somebody once tell me, say, if you no go fit become billionaire, or you no go fit rich, oh. He said, because you too they talk truth. He said, truthful people know that they rich. Now wait till the test tell me. Now say, okay, if I dey truth, if I dey rich in truth, that will not be richness. Now wait till the person tell me early this year. He said, I too dey truthful. Say I no go feel rich. So I need to dey add some things join so that I go. They say I too dey real. But it's my nature. Now my nature be that. And my nature. I can't hide it. I know somebody they pretend, or somebody they do abragado, or somebody. If I say something will not be, I go say na it be, or call the add salt and mangi to ram. As what I discovered from black people, be say that some of them hate truth well. Some of them hate truth. When you tell them the truth, you go come like say, you as in you too dey real for them to. They know they deal with truth. It's my nature. Everybody who have personally make friends with me, they know that I don't lie. I don't lie. Even to my own life, personal is life. I don't lie about it. That is who I am. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. You know, the point be say, what they were all waiting for is for me not to be able to come outside to speak anymore on social media. By the time we are done with her, she cannot come out on social media to speak. If you know who Efe is, if you know who I am, you will know say I don't see a lot of things for this my life. If I even come think, I go see and say this one na mwe for where it did. You still come to watch me. You still come to listen to me. Even when I've busted, I've decoded your faceless freedom fighter, your faceless leader. I've decoded her, I bust her and expose her. Even when it is hurting you so deeply. If in me, like me, I don't listen to them. I cannot even see their video and watch it for 1 minute. If in me, if I see people when I not like, I don't watch their video, I screw past it. But you can't stay. You can't stay. You think that your eye they watch me, not be my. Now the spirit of Biafra, now they humble you, may come watch me, come listen to the truth. The spirit of Biafra is the one humbling those of you that are when they follow these useless people. So now the spirit of Biafra they humble now. When I they listen to the truth, now they humble now, not be by my power. Because he said they know the truth and the truth will set you free. If you talk too much, tell me one person in the world, one preacher in the world, one bishop in the world who are successful that doesn't talk too much. That doesn't talk. We know they talk. When you think about they talk. Adebo, you know they talk. If you want microphone, their spirit never change. Or if I come to live broadcast, I should just keep quiet and be looking at your comments, be laughing. Hey, what did they call them? Chukwuemeka Agu, my dear brother, God bless you. I go just dey call na name, they talk. I no go talk anything. And if I even see dey praise myself, e dey pain them. Everything about me dey pain. Na me be their nightmare for this social media. Na me be their nightmare. They know it. They know it. So when you see some people that they talk say, Efe, now you want to do this one, now you they do this one, now you they do that one. Question when you go ask them, you say, why these people not contact you for the beginning? Why it be say na Efe they contact? The women then when it be say they first call the broadcast for Radio Biafra. Who was the first person where they contact? It was me. It was me. Because I got that thing you no get. They know say I dey mentally sound when it comes to IPOB Biafran's activity. They know say I'm well informed. They listen to every one of us. Then they see the perspective where they get, where they talk from, and they also they see this perspective I'm talking from, and they know who is articulated when it comes to Biafra struggle. They knows. Why didn't they contact you? Why did they have to contact me and ask of all of your name? I should provide all your names to them. Why didn't they contact you to ask you to give them my name? They contacted me and I gave all your names to them. Some of you listen to me on this my platform. I lecture some of you and you grown up and become a broadcaster. Thank you very much. Mazieke Ikeshuku, my dear brother, may God Almighty bless you. You need not to tell us because we know you to be honest person before now. Thank you so much. Collins Kendo, thank you so much, my blood. Mazikeshuku, share the broadcast. Share it. Mazieke Ikeshuku, share it in channel for your inbox. So now so it be my people. We continue to move, no stopping. We continue to move. Every step and everything where they bring come, we go continue to the decode and continue to. Okay, listen now. Let me use this one to round it up, my people. Let's assume I was not contacted. I was not as in misled or misinformed. You feel say all those things where those people they do for social media, they for feed one. No, talk truth. They for not feed one. They needed me to be on their side in order for you to be accomplished. No, they get the trick where they play on us. They needed me to be on their side in order for it to be accomplished on social media. They needed me, they needed my voice. A lot of people confirm some certain things, fast information from my lips. On this platform, they needed me to be on their side. If I was not misinformed, or they never captured me since 2020, to the tell me say na so, we are fighting corruption. You think say they born Nelly where, they born Nelly father where, or they born Nelly where, or Fuegu where. You go come do all those rubbish when they do. You know if you do now. Now one first video you go do I go follow her like mad person. He did first video, I was quiet. This second video, I was quiet. Everybody was quiet. Continue. So they come open platform. We're still all quiet. You know say something was wrong. IPOB that you know. IPOB broadcaster. Social media warrior that you know. You don't see anybody when don't launch that kind of attack on IPOB, they will be silent about it. You don't see them before. That kind of attack will be launched on IPOB, and all of us will be silent. You don't hear them before. Even if when we did wrong, we will come as a fight first. Now last, we will come go settle ourselves. But they play the game very strategically. Thank you all so much. Thank you all very much. Leave this Stella. I dey see her comment for everywhere. Leave her. And it's not to insult single mothers all over the world. God bless every single mothers all over the world, the genuine single mothers all over the world. But you see this Stella, so now single mother by stupidity. This Stella, single mother by stupidity. She's so wayward, so useless, so backward. So I don't know the class to rate her. Single mother by stupidity. She's so useless. I see her comments everywhere. She's so hopeless. I've never seen a woman who is this hopeless before. There's any possibility say na Nelly, oh, because Nelly, anybody can be Nelly. Because she's faceless. Anybody can be Nelly. She's every possibility that she's so wayward. My God. Single mother by hopelessness. That is who Stella is. Don't disregard whatever she dey talk. She's so useless. I'm telling you. If they say single mother go they feel pity for them, they pray for them, they pray for every mother in the world. Exclude Stella. Stella is a single mother by stupidity. Thank you very much. Make I leave her for here. We are here to receive the bullet for you, Ada. Thank you so much, Kelly Skendo. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Make I leave you now until I will come on our way again. If you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Omote BTV. Subscribe so that you go to get because they push a short video for that place too. All here Biafra, and we continue to move. IPOB one family. We'll go Sunday. I don't tell you to come on that by stupidity. Oh yeah, now bye.